Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Soldiers generally have to endure mind-blowing training, but how brutal it is becoming depends on the country. One thing is certain: some troops are being pushed far beyond their physical and mental limits, sometimes near death. These are among some of the most unorthodox and creative approaches to getting troops ready for circumstances in real life. One of these countries also pressures its soldiers to get drunk when physically exhausting exercises are underway, as if completing the workout wasn't sober enough. In Taiwan, the Marines must crawl across large rocks with sharp edges, exposing their bare skin and using their entire body for 50 meters without using their arms to slither across. As reported by defectors, the North Korean Storm Corps is using training exercises where the soldiers have to repeatedly smash trees and jagged tin cans until they're bruised and oozing pus. Upon completion, given their open wounds, they must pound piles of salt with their paws. South Korean Special Forces shall undertake military training at sub-zero temperatures with barely any clothes on. China's People's Liberation Army makes groups of soldiers standing in circles around a pit. Then they light an explosive and move over it, kind of like a hot potato game. When it's ready to blow, it will be tossed into the pit by whatever soldier it has, and all soldiers take a running dive for safety. The Special Operations Group in the Philippines gets its soldiers drunk and then forces them to do grueling military drills. They say this helps the soldiers who don't have the right personality to be eliminated. They need to swim 18 miles, practice shooting, and run 6 miles, wasted the whole time. The U.S. Marine snipers must have a deadened sense of smell, particularly as they need to soak their ghillie suits in stagnant water and then roll around in dirt. Navy SEALs need to go through a harsh process called drown pooling. This allows them to go deep underwater while tied hands and feet and perform various tasks. Together with controlling anxiety and panic, it helps them with respiratory power. The Belarus Red Berets have to complete an obstacle course, which is different from any traditional obstacle course. This course has all the standard obstacles, but it adds fire, flames, being shot at, and of course knocked. Maybe that's why just 10% complete the training successfully. It's kept simpler by the Indonesian Army. Soldiers compete a regular obstacle course with live bullets fired from their feet just inches away. The Russian Special Forces use an extreme training tactic in which the instructor suits the soldiers in training with full body armor and shot them in the chest. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.